Is triangle and its properties. In the previous section, you have learned about exterior angle property, and today we will discuss about angle sum property. Angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Angle sum property in a triangle, the sum of all three interior angles is 180, and this property is called angle sum property. So in a triangle, the sum of all three interior angles is 180. This is called angle sum property. Now we will prove it. Let this is given angle 1 and this is given angle 2. As we have proved exterior angle property, likewise we will prove angle sum property. We extend BC. Let this is angle 3. We draw CE, CD parallel to AB. So proof. We extend BC and draw CD पैरेलल टू AB. जैसे हमने एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी में किया था, सेम यहां हमने BC को एक्सटेंड किया और उसके बाद CD पैरेलल ड्रॉ कर ली किसके, AB के. हमने इसको मान लिया कि ये एंगल है हमारे पास X और ये एंगल है हमारे पास Y. तो ये X और ये 1 ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर इक्वल 2 और Y ये कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, सो इक्वल. नाउ एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू X. क्यों? ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. अपना माइक म्यूट कीजिए, किसी का माइक ऑन है, ठीक है. और एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू Y. व्हाट इज द रीजन? corresponding angles. What is the reason? Corresponding angles. Now X, Y and 3, these are the angle at a point, so their sum is 180. Now X plus Y plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Reason? Angle at a point. Now angle X implies 1, Y implies 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. 1 implies angle A, 2 implies angle B and 3 implies angle C is equal to 180 degree. So sum of all three interior angles of a triangle is 180. This is the proof. Now we will use this property directly in solving the problems of exercise. Which exercise? Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Question number 1. देखिए, एक्सरसाइज 6.3. and question number 1. Find the value of the unknown X in the following diagrams, and first part is, this is given triangle ABC. This is given X, this is given 50 degree and this is given 60 degree. Triangle, so sum of all angles is 180. Sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles X plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. So X plus 110 is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 minus 110 imply value of x is 70. So x is equal to 70 degree. Likewise, we will solve part 2, part 3. अब देखिए part 4th, part number 4th. Same and simple questions, all are of same type. Part number 4th, given a triangle, this is x, this is x, and this is 50 degree, and we have to find out x because this is a triangle. So using angle sum property, x plus 50 degree is equal to 180. Region angle sum property, ASP implies angle sum property of triangle. So x 2x, so 2x plus 50 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 130 or x is equal to 130 upon 2 implies 65 degree. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 65 degree. Likewise, part number 5th. Part number 5th देखिए, part number 5th, all the three angles are x. This is the triangle, this is x, this is x, this is x. Because sum of all the angles is 180, so x plus x plus x is equal to 180. Region angle sum property, x 3x, so 3x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 upon 3 implies x is equal to 60 degree. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 60 degree. Same part number 6. Part number 6 देखिए, given a right triangle, given a right triangle, this is x, this is 2x, and this angle is 90 degree. This is the symbol of perpendicular, so angle is 90 degree. Now angle sum, बोलिए, ये part number 6. Now this is 90 degree, x, this is 2x, so x plus 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. X or 2x, 3x plus 90 or is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. 3x is equal to 90 degree and x is equal to 90 upon 3 implies x is equal to 30 degree. ठीक है? So x is equal to 30 degree. Now question number 2. Find the value of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. We have to find out values of x and y and we will use both the properties simultaneously. Implies exterior angle property and angle sum property. For example, question number 1. Question number 2, part number 1. The given figure is the triangle. This angle is x, this is 50 degree, this is y, and this is 120 degree. There are so many methods to solve these problems. This angle is 120, this is y, both are linear pair, so we can find out y. Or this is 120, this is exterior, sum of x plus 50, we can find x. Or this is 50 plus x, first we will find out x, then by angle sum property we will find out y. So which method you understand simpler, you may use. Let first we find y by linear pair. So y plus 120 is equal to 180. What is the region? Linear pair. What is the region? Linear pair. So y is equal to 180 minus 120 यानी 60 डिग्री. y की वैल्यू डायरेक्टली मिली. अब हम यूज करेंगे या तो एंगल सम या तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, दोनों से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. तो मान लीजिए हमने यूज की एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. एक्सटीरियर क्या है? 120 सम ऑफ अपोजिट टू यानी x प्लस 50. तो नाउ x प्लस 50 इज इक्वल टू 120. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी? Exterior angle property. So what we get? X is equal to 120 minus 50 यानी x is equal to 70 degree. So x is equal to 70 and y is equal to 60 degree. This is the values of x and y. Now part number 2, सेम वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स हैं. पार्ट नंबर 3 देखिए. पार्ट नंबर 2 and 3. Part number 2. What is part number 2? This is triangle and these lines intersect. This is 80. This is y. This is x and this is 50. So first we will find out y. Y is equal to 80 by which property? Vertically opposite. And now this plus this plus this is equal to 180. X plus y plus 50 is equal to 180 by which property? Angle sum property. So x y is 80 degree plus 50 is equal to 180. X plus 130 is equal to 180 or x is equal to 180 minus 130. So x is equal to 50 degree. So y is equal to 80 and x is equal to 50. Same part number 3. Part number 3. Given this is a triangle, this is x, this is y, this is 50, this is 60. X is exterior angle, so we will use exterior angle property. So x is equal to 50 plus 60. Exterior is equal to sum of opposite to interior. Which property use? Exterior angle property. So x is equal to 110. Now x plus y linear pair. So again 180. So x plus y is equal to 180. X is 110. Region linear pair. So 110 plus y is equal to 180 or y is equal to 180 minus 110. Y is equal to 70 degree. These are the values of x and y. Likewise, part number 4th. Part number 4th. Part number 4th, this is the triangle. This is x, this is y, this is 30 and this is 60. Simple. First x is equal to 60 by vertically opposite. By vertically opposite. And now x plus y plus 30, 180. X plus 30 plus y or is equal to 180 by the property of angle sum property. So x is 60. So 60 plus 30 plus y is equal to 180. 90 plus y is equal to 180, or y is equal to 180 minus 90 implies 90 degree. So x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 90. Part number 5th. Part number 5th. What is part number 5th? This is triangle. This is y. This is x. This is x. And this is 90 degree. So first y directly 90 degree by the property of vertically opposite angles. So y is equal to 90 degree. Which property? Vertically opposite angles. And x plus y, sum of all three angles, is equal to 180 by the property of angle sum property. X 2x plus y 90 degree is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. 90 इधर गया माइनस का हो गया. 2x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 90 upon 2 implies 45 degree. So y is equal to 90 and x is equal to 45. And the last part. Number 6th. Part number 6th. This is giving. This angle is x. This is y. This is x. This is x. Let we have taken this is 1 and this is 2. So 1 is equal to x. Angle 1 is equal to x. Or angle 2 is equal to x. Both by vertically opposite angles. 1 is equal to x and 2 is equal to x. Also y is equal to x by the property of vertically opposite. All three are by the property of vertically opposite. Now these three interior angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus y is equal to 180 by the property of angle sum property. 1x 2x y x is equal to 180. All three are equal to x. 1 is equal to x, 2 is equal to x, and y is equal to x. So 3x is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 upon 3 implies 60 degree. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 60. Now y is equal to x also. So is equal to 60 degree. So y and x both are 60 degree. This is the complete solution of exercise 6.3.